Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with the Modesty. I hope you guys are doing good. Well, today I have my IPSY Plus by the feel of it. Yeah, I hope so. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, I got my IPSY Plus, and I'm really excited about it because I didn't think I was going to get it for a while. And my regular IPSY, did I say IPSY the whole time? It's IPSY, guys. You know, I just did another video where I said you guys would have thought that I just came back from happy hour, but I really didn't. It's just, I think I got food in my head after fasting for so long. It's like, whoo, the glucose is hitting me all at once. I mean, squeezing out the little bit of glucose that it does have in my keto diet. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, IPSY Glam Plus, okay, and before we do that, I want to go ahead and do our other box, and this is You Got This, and this spoke to me too, just like the other box did, right? And so let me see what it says here. What is this about? So you get a cover, like, on the top that tells you a little about the cards. So it says, infuse your life with action. Don't wait for it to happen. Make it happen. Make your own future. Make your own hope. Make your own love. Yeah. And you know what? And this is actually by Bradley Whitford. So this is his message as an author to us. And so let's go, and that's a pretty good message. Make it happen, man. Go out there and do it. Don't wait for somebody else to do it for you. So yeah, if you want it done right, do it yourself, right? Okie dokie. So the card that I picked here is this one here. It looks kind of long, but I'm going to go ahead and read it for you. It says, sometimes the best thing you can do is not think, not wonder, not imagine, not obsess. Just breathe and have faith that everything will work out for the best. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Yeah, you know what? This actually has a big message. Sometimes the best thing you can do is not think. Okay? And this is good for me because I have this bad habit of overthinking things, Sometimes it's just so simple. If I could just take a deep breath and just relax about it, I mean, it will reveal itself. I should have faith in that. But instead, I tend to overthink it, and then I stress over, and I get anxiety over it, I worry about it, and, I start contemplating over it. So, you know what? It's not good because you get all stressed out, right? So I think what this card is trying to say is, you know what? Sometimes the best thing to do is don't do any of that. Just relax and have faith that things will work out. Now, you can't do that with everything, right? No, that's not what they're saying. Just, sit back and wait for something to happen. No. But, just don't, if it's something that you can't figure out or it's not really necessary to really overthink, just relax about it. Don't obsess. Just breathe in and have faith. So, yeah, this is a good message. There you go. I'm going to hold this up for you. Okay. And that's that. Okie dokie. And so, IPSY, I got to read it. IPSY, not Lexi, IPSY. Okay, so let's see what's in here. You know what, guys? I've been really bad about watching videos. I've been really busy because today, actually, we just got back from house hunting and we saw a house that we really love. And matter of fact, after this, I got to fill out some applications. So, yeah, so it's been really busy and crazy for us this week because we have to get a house within the next couple of weeks. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so you have to excuse me. I'm a little discombobulated. So, oh, okay, cute. Stay golden. I don't know what's up with these little eye things, but just even jewelry, these like eye things are everywhere. That's so weird. Yeah, so there it is. And let's see what's in here. It's full. Okay, is there a card in here? Of course there is. Glam bag X Halsey. Oh, that's for the next time. It's advertising. And so what it says here, I guess that's the theme, stay golden. Okay, this is the July bag. And what does it say? It says, this month, everything you touch is turned into gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. Get into this month's theme at IPSY.com. Stay golden. Okay, I will stay golden. Okay, let's see. The first thing out of the, I mean, it's a bunch of stuff, but first thing out, oh, okay, it's the brush. I believe this was my choice, and this is by MOTD, and it's in gold. It's very nice. Look at this, and these are set of face brushes, which I love, and I have millions of, and it comes with the little protectors already. Yeah, now that I bought 200 of them, they're all coming with it. Go figure. So, yep, there it is, and that's the first item. And the second item is, they're all bubble wrapped, which is nice. BoxyCharm Beauty? BoxyCharm Beauty? Is that right? Or BoxyCharm Beauty? Oh, wait, hold on. I'm going to open it. I'm just going to show you the bubble wrap, okay? Okay, BoxyCharm Beauty. Okay, and there it is. And I'm going to have to figure out what this is. I think this is a bronzer palette. And it's plastic, so that's nice. Yeah, this is very nice. Aesthetic, you know me. Aesthetics, aesthetics, aesthetics. And now let me just not break it. Oh, very nice. I'm going to take the protector off. I'm not sure if it's powder, but there it is. It looks like a bronzing powder, and I believe I did choose this because there wasn't a whole lot to choose from. But this is, yeah, and I have so many bronzers nowadays. But you know what? There's this, like, weird pattern in this one, and I thought somebody ran their fingers on it. I don't know if you can see, but I think it's just the way it was poured. So, yeah, I mean, interesting, and it has a little mirror with it. And I have so many bronzers, guys. I mean, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this aside for a future giveaway. And yeah, because I have enough and I want to share with you guys. And also, soon I'm going to be doing a bigger, like a skincare giveaway because, you know, I have tubs back there. I don't think you can see them, but I have like 5 tubs full of skincare that I need to give away. So, yeah. And I'll be doing a giveaway real soon. I'm going to be running several of them, I think, coming up here because I have to move soon. And I really don't want to lug all this stuff to where I'm moving to. I could if I had to, but yeah, I'd rather not. So I'll be doing some giveaways, yeah? Okay, the next thing in the box is, whoops, it's by Tarte. It's Jelly Glaze. And it is a lip mask. Interesting. It comes like this, but you can't see it. The color is terrible. They picked a terrible color and they put white print on top of yellow. Is not smart. And this must have color. It does. It's toasted coconut. There it is. And I do like Tarte products, so you know, I love lip products, so I think I'll go ahead and keep it. Yeah, I mean, look at this. How can you even read that? It's white on this like egg yolk yellow, not even. So okay, there's not a whole lot I can do to try to read that. Oh, that was the back I was showing you. And yep, Jelly Glaze. And unfortunately, because this is the plus box, there is no card where I can read for you, but it looks like it's some lip product and I'm gonna have to try to figure it out. I'll have to look online for it. Okay, that's that. And next I have, I think, just 2 more things. Yep, and they look like they're both palettes. And this one here, let's see here. I don't want to tear this. I'm going to have to. It looks like they taped it instead of just letting it stick. Okay. Wow. They didn't want me to get into this thing. Okay, here we go. I'll just go ahead and squeeze it out of there. There. Your Eyes Only by Half Caked. Yeah, it's baby tested and vegan approved. And let's see. Okay, it is, okay, it's eyeshadow palette. So let's see. It looks like this. It looks like those old floppy disks they used to put into the computer. So yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. And let me push this through. Yep, very cute. Very cute. And it looks like the colors are listed in the back. But let's take a look and see what kind of shades these are. Yep. Okay, there you go. These are pretty cute, but again, it's the same shades I have over and over. And so I will not be using this. And it does come with this little protector. I'm going to put that back on there. And it comes with a cute little mirror. Oh, this got a strong magnet. The closure, that's good. And there it is. And I will also add this to the next giveaway. Or not, maybe not next, but upcoming giveaway. Depends. And then the last product here is again a palette. A lot of palettes. And this one here is called the Sun Goddess 4-Shade Face Palette. Oh, it's by Hip Dot. Oh, interesting. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's got 4 shades. It looks like this. It's actually very pretty. Aesthetically pretty. Again, it's like a slide, you know, like this. And it is, oh yeah, this is kind of pretty. It's got a nice little mirror. And it has the protector on there. That's pretty stuck on there. Good. Okay, there we go. And there's, it looks like there's a couple of, well, I guess you could use 2 of them. You could use them all for blush as well as a highlighter on these 2. So yeah, take a look. Alrighty, and then again, highlighter is something that I have probably enough to last till rapture. So I will go ahead and put this in the upcoming giveaway, one of them. And so yeah, this is actually very nice. I like it because, you know, I was thinking that I want to start collecting more palettes for giveaways, even though I probably have about 20 of them. And so, yep, and then so I will go ahead and put that away. So I think that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. Ooh, I better close that knife. Okay, so what do I have? I have the Sun Goddess Face Palette. I have the Half Caked Eyeshadow Palette. And the Bazy Beauty. And this was the Eye Palette. Okay. And a lip glaze that I can't even read because of the color combination, which is crazy. And the one thing I am going to keep, guys, is this MOTD brush. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it. So, what did you think, my beautiful wildflowers? I think it was okay. You know, I mean, it's kind of hard for me to keep some palettes when I know I have them. And I have plenty of them. And so I rather share it with you guys. And so I'm just going to, and I am not unhappy about that. Seriously, I got good products. And just because I can't use it doesn't mean they're bad products, right? So yeah. And then another thing, I love collecting these bags. I mean, I don't know what this eyeball's all about, but okay, I'll go with it. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please give me a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hitting that bell button and select all so that way you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.